Virtual weather calculations use weather stations miles away from your location and rely on predictive models with varying results. When a difference of a few degrees could mean the success or failure of your project, you need the accuracy, reliability, and the pinpoint detail that only a local weather station can achieve. Introducing the Atmos 14 4-in-1 weather station. This compact, easy-to-mount instrument includes sensors for air temperature, relative humidity, barometric pressure, and vapor pressure. These measurements, combined into one instrument, make it easy to perform microclimate studies thanks to the all-inclusive plug-and-play design. Just mount the Atmos 14, connect the single stereo cable to the ZL6 data logger, and start collecting atmospheric data at the quality and accuracy you've come to expect from Meter. Once connected to the data logger, your data streams directly to Zentra Cloud, where it can be accessed from anywhere you are, saving you the time and hassle of frequent site visits and getting data one step closer to publishing ready. Don't waste any more time fumbling with integrations and configuring multiple sensors when the measurements you need are as simple as mount, plug in, and walk away. And it's all thanks to the Atmos 14 weather station. Learn more about the Atmos line at metergroup.com.